What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to this video about Reef. Perhaps the most positive video I'll be making today, because today, obviously, you all know we've had a lot of bearish momentum and bearish fundamental moves throughout the market. If you want to know more about that, go check out the Bitcoin or Ethereum video I uploaded a couple of videos ago. Because there I explain it. It's basically, I mean, it's a mix. It's a mix between like elections and inflation rates coming up. But apart from that, also the whole FTX drama between Binance and the FTX exchange about the FTT token. A lot going on, but in this video we will zoom in on Reef, which as I said is maybe going to be the most positive one, but it's not 100% positive because we just had another spike. Reef is at least as far as I know, it's a legit project, definitely, and it's also a project I have invested in, so that's a full disclosure. But yeah, I mean, these spikes that Reef has, it just seems like manipulation. It has to be manipulation. I don't think it's manipulation by the team. I think it's manipulation by some sort of a will or something, but it's not normal, and this is just the same, but then we managed to actually close there instead of dropping down immediately. So now we close there and then drop down immediately, but it's the same effect as this, right? So yeah, had this huge spike. Usually that doesn't really translate in a bullish or bearish scenario. More often than not, it is a little bit bullish. So we will incorporate that into the analysis, but right now it's really just what we do at our support levels and at our resistance levels. So that's what we'll talk about. But apart from that, yeah, as I said, Reef is a valid project. It's relatively low market cap. It's not that low, but it's relatively low. It's on all the major exchanges. It's I mean, you can see that volume going up. It just seems so manipulated. You can instantly, like, you see a spike of like 20 million in 10 minutes. It just seems hard to believe that retail buyers do that. It's also, I mean, a spike like this you don't get. But enough talking about that. If we take a look at the price right now, what you can see is that, like, at this 0.55 cents level, we have found support. It's actually a pretty strong support level. You can also see that, or pretty strong key level altogether. You can also see that from the history and also the near history. The last few weeks were that level was pretty important as both a support level and a resistance level. So now we're there. I think there's only one scenario in which we could actually like still be bullish with Reef, which is definitely there, but it's like the fundamentals don't align. The fundamentals right now are still, well, either neutral or bearish on the short term. So like we find support here. If we actually, like, the only scenario is if we break above 0.6 cents. If we manage to do that, I would say on a 1 hour time frame is already enough. So right now we're on the 4 hour. If we break above that on the 1 hour time frame, I think it's already enough to facilitate a little bit more of a bullish Reef. So we'll move up to 0.64, 0.65, and then I'll be back with another update. But to be honest, I mean, as I said, the fundamentals don't align, and this just seems unlikely. And it's also the moment we break through 0.55 cents as a support, it's over. This is no longer possible. So I think it's more likely that we will find some support there, but that eventually we'll break through 0.55 cents, and that we will start dropping that back down to well, first of all 0.52 cents, and then also half a cent, and then I think we can hold that as a consolidation, kind of depending on the market circumstances. But I'm not overall bearish on Reef, but it's just it seems like just a spike, and that will continue doing what we were doing to me, because that's also what history has taught us, except for some scenarios in which we managed to hold our support levels and get a bullish breakout. So that's this scenario, but as I said, you have to take a look at the fundamentals and way more. So that's my take on Reef this morning. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, but for now, take care and bye.